I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough for the Twitter readability tester. So the first thing that we have here is just defining our secret and key for Twitter. And then we're going to set up a Tembu session, passing in our Tembu credentials. And then we're going to do a initialize OAuth request, which is simply just going to initialize a query with your customer secret and the customer key, and then return the initialize OAuth results back. And then next, we're going to open the authorization URL that we get from that result in the browser using this function here, which is simply going to open in the browser if it can. If it can't, it's just going to tell the user to manually navigate there. So next, we do our finalize OAuth result. And to do that, we just initialize our query again, setting our callback ID that we got from the initializer, as well as the token secret and our secret and key from Twitter. And then we execute that and return the finalize OAuth result set. So at this point, we are authenticated. So we're going to ask the user for the screen name of a Twitter user. So this is just going to be a simple scanner, prompt them, and get the result. Once we have the screen name, we're going to use this get timeline function to get that user's timeline. So we're going to use a user timeline query, and we're going to pass it, of course, the screen name, the access token, and all of that stuff. And then we're going to execute that, and we're going to get the response from Tembu. And we're going to parse it into a JSON array. And once we have the JSON array, we're simply going to loop through it to get each tweet. And then from each tweet, we're going to split along spaces to get each word. And for each word, we're just going to loop through it. And we're going to use this syllable counter, which I've had from a previous assignment. That'll just count up the syllables in a word. And for any syllable, any word that has more than one syllable, we're going to increment the polysyllable counter, but we're also going to exclude any URLs because that's pretty common in tweets. And we're also going to print out the word here. And once we've collected all those statistics, we're just going to put it into the formula that we were given here, and then print out the score. And just running it real quick here. We're just going to initialize with Twitter. And once we've done that, it'll prompt us for a Twitter user. I'm going to put in a TechCrunch, just a random one. And it'll print out each one of their polysyllable words and a smog score. All right, thank you for watching.